Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, we will practice simple English sentences. These sentences are about daily morning activities. Please listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's start. I need to go to bed early. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I need to brush my teeth. I need to wash my face. I need a clean towel. I need to comb my hair. I need to take a shower. I need to iron my blouse. I need to get dressed quickly. I need a cup of coffee. I need some bread for toast. I need to cook breakfast. I need to buy some eggs. You need to eat your breakfast. Do you need a cup of coffee? Does anyone need more milk? I need to pack my bag. I need my car keys. I need to check the weather. You need to take your umbrella. I need to put on my shoes. I need to double check my phone. I need to lock the door. Great job today. You did very well. Now, please practice these sentences again. Repeat them every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.